नमस्कार दोस्तों। तो मेरे पिछले जो भी ब्लॉग्स था जो भी था तो उसमें ना मैं हमेशा इंग्लिश में बात करता था। तो दिस टाइम आई थॉट कि मैं हिंदी इंग्लिश दोनों मिक्स कर दूं। तो ये आप इस चीज़ को अनबॉक्सिंग कह सकते हो, फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन कह सकते हो, रिव्यू कह सकते हो, चाहे कुछ भी हो। इट्स अबाउट अ न्यू थिंग व्हिच आई apparently brought from Amazon this time. So let's see how is the product and what is the product. Let's see what is the product. Let's unbox it. तो yes, ये प्रोडक्ट है बोर्डस्टोन 650. You can see this is बोर्डस्टोन 650. ये कुछ पुराना 1-1.5 साल पुराना एक स्पीकर है. इट्स अ ब्लूटूथ स्पीकर बाय बोट. बट मुझे लगा कि मेरे पास ये एक स्पीकर का कुछ कमी था, तो आई थॉट कि आई बाय दिस वन. सो इसको ओपन करके देखते हैं इसके साथ क्या क्या मिलता है. एंड ऑल्सो आई शेयर माई फीडबैक अबाउट कि इसका साउंड इंप्रेशन कैसा है क्या नहीं है. इनकेस आप आगे वाले वीडियोस नहीं देखे हो तो उसको देखिए. अगर इस वीडियो को पसंद करते हो तो गिव इट अ लाइक, सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल. एंड एनीवेज जो भी मेरे वीडियोस कंटिन्यूसली देख रहे हैं उनके लिए थैंक यू सो मच. Let's unbox the product right now. That's it for you. So it comes in very nicely packaged, as you can see. It's very well packed. And before that, let's check what's inside the box. We have warranty card, user manual guide, USB normal charger, and we have an aux for probably for playing with the mobile phone or playing through a laptop. इसको साइड रखते हैं, इसको ऑन करते हैं. So, very nicely packed. So that's the physical overview of the box. And if you can check कि इसमें साइड में ऐसे आता है. So this is the controls. It is very well built. It's not that light, not that heavy, and also importantly it have a tripod stand as well. So यहाँ पे आप इसको लगा के ऐसे stand में भी रख सकते हो. And nothing much on this side, and the controls are on this side. So let's turn it on. By the way, this is also available in 2 other colors. It's available in the red color and it's available in the blue color. So I got the black because there's something attracts me. This is waterproof as well. I don't know how much, but it's waterproof. So that's the way to turn it on.
You've plugged into Nirvana.
So
your device is ready to pair.
So that's how the audio comes in. Let's play a song. Okay, so we are playing non-copyright music, and so let's play and let's check how is the audio.
Take you home with me.
Maximum volume.
This is the maximum volume. Okay, you can see the bass. It's turning. It is having good bass.
Take you home with me. I don't get what you're saying. All of these games you're playing.
Next one. Oh, this is super bass. Have a look at this. It's vibrating like this. So basically what you have seen right now with this box, I don't think there is any need of questioning what is the bass quality of this speaker. This automatically revolves. There is so much bass in this. So I definitely like this. This comes at a price of approximately 1400 to 1900 rupees. So you can wait for the Best Buy option and try out different Flipkart, Amazon or different other portals. By the way, thank you for watching the video. In case you like it, you know what to do. Like it, share it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.